If you're a busy mom or caregiver trying to build an online business but you can't stay consistent, this is probably why your life doesn't run on a perfect schedule. In case we haven't met, I'm Isabel, founder of Your Techie Isabel. I built my business as a single mom of two while caring for my special needs daughter, so I know what it's like to try and show up online when real life keeps interrupting. I used to sit down to record videos and get pulled away, appointments, exhaustion, just life. Some weeks I couldn't create anything at all. And that's where most people get stuck. Not because they don't have ideas, but because they don't have the time or energy to keep showing up. What changed for me was this. I stopped trying to be the one filming everything. Instead, I started using a digital version of myself to create my videos. Now I can write a short script, paste it into a tool, and have a full video ready in minutes. No camera, no setup, no waiting for the perfect moment. Some days I even record ideas as quick voice notes while I'm doing everyday things and turn them into videos later. This simple shift gave me back around 10 hours a week, and for the first time, my business didn't stop every time life got busy. And no, this is not about replacing yourself. It's about creating a way to keep showing up even when your time and energy are limited. If your schedule is unpredictable like mine, this might be the simplest way to stay consistent without burning out. If this feels like your situation, watch this next video where I show you how to build a simple system so your business keeps running even when you don't have time.